Something extraordinary has just been discovered. A legal document with your name on it has surfaced after being hidden for decades. This document proves you are the rightful heir to a fortune that has been concealed from you. Money, property, and assets that legally belong to you have been kept secret all this time. This is not a mistake or coincidence. The universe has aligned to bring this truth to light at this exact moment in your life. Your financial struggles are about to end. What has been hidden in darkness is now coming into the light. Your life is about to change forever. This fortune connects directly to your family bloodline. Someone in your past accumulated wealth that was meant to pass down to you. Legal barriers and family secrets have kept it hidden until now. Have you noticed strange coincidences with money lately? Maybe you keep seeing specific numbers that relate to amounts or dates. Perhaps you've had dreams about old houses, locked boxes, or documents with official seals. These are not random events. Your subconscious mind has been picking up signals about this hidden wealth. The universe has been preparing you to receive what is rightfully yours. Every financial struggle you faced was temporary. You were never meant to live in lack. This inheritance has been waiting in the shadows, protected and growing, until the right moment arrived. That moment is now. The legal pathways are opening to restore what belongs to you. Time is critical right now. Legal documents have expiration periods. There is a limited window to claim what is yours before the opportunity closes forever. Powerful forces benefit from keeping this fortune hidden. People who have been controlling these assets do not want you to know the truth. They hope you never discover your rightful claim. The legal system moves slowly, but also has strict deadlines. Miss this window, and the fortune could be declared abandoned property. It could be seized by the state or transferred to others who have no legal right to it. There are competitors who may try to claim they are the rightful heirs. False claimants who will forge documents or create fake family connections. You must act before they muddy the legal waters. Every day that passes makes your claim more complicated. Evidence can disappear. Documents can be destroyed. Witnesses can forget or be silenced. The universe has created this opening for you right now. This is your moment to step forward and claim your birthright before the door closes. Like this video right now to activate your abundance frequency and unlock your inheritance pathway. The fortune hidden from you includes multiple assets that have been growing for decades, bank accounts that have been collecting interest year after year, properties that have increased dramatically in value, investment portfolios that have been compounding silently. A distant relative or ancestor accumulated this wealth through business, land ownership, or careful investment. Before they passed away, legal documents were created to ensure the fortune would pass to their rightful heirs. You are one of those heirs. But something went wrong. The documents were filed incorrectly or hidden deliberately. Family members who knew about the inheritance kept it secret. Lawyers who were supposed to notify you never made contact. Financial institutions held the assets without searching for the rightful owners. The total value has grown substantially over the years. What started as a significant amount has multiplied through decades of interest, property appreciation, and market growth. The fortune waiting for you is larger than the original inheritance. Recent changes in legal record systems have brought these hidden documents to light. Digital archives and public record searches have revealed discrepancies. Legal researchers have found your name connected to unclaimed estates and abandoned accounts. Your DNA, your birth certificate, and your family tree all create a paper trail that proves your connection. The legal evidence exists to support your claim. Courts recognize bloodline inheritance rights even after many years have passed. Protective legal measures were put in place when this fortune was hidden. These protections now work in your favor. They prevent the assets from being claimed by anyone who cannot prove their rightful connection. You have that proof. The wheels of justice are turning. The hidden fortune is being prepared for transfer to its rightful owner. That owner is you. Type 88 right now to align yourself with the prosperity energy flowing toward you. Signs of this abundance have already been appearing in your life. You just didn't recognize them for what they were. Have you noticed the number patterns following you? Seeing amounts like 111, 777 or 888 repeatedly on clocks, receipts or addresses. These are the universe's way of confirming wealth. Energy is activating around you. Small financial blessings have been showing up. You might have found money in old pockets or received unexpected refunds. Perhaps someone paid back an old debt you had forgotten about. These are previews of the larger abundance coming. Job opportunities or business ideas have been presenting themselves to you lately. Even if you haven't acted on them, their appearance signals your financial energy field is shifting. Doors are opening that were previously closed. Your dreams have been trying to tell you something. Images of old buildings, keys, locked doors, or official papers appearing in your sleep. Your subconscious mind picked up the energy of this hidden fortune before your conscious mind knew anything about it. People from your past have been reaching out or crossing your mind. Family connections you haven't thought about in years suddenly feel important. This is because the inheritance connects through family lines, and your intuition senses the link. You may have felt a strange restlessness or expectation recently, a feeling that something big is about to happen, even though you couldn't identify what it was. This is your higher self sensing the financial breakthrough approaching. The universe has been removing spiritual blocks that kept you in lack. Old beliefs about not deserving wealth are dissolving. Fear patterns around money are breaking down. Your energy field is being cleared to receive the massive abundance about to enter your life. Everything has been preparation for this moment. Your financial reality is about to transform completely. If you want to accelerate your abundance manifestation, you can give super thanks of $5, $10, $20 or more. This energy exchange activates the law of circulation. When you invest in your own prosperity consciousness, the universe responds by speeding up the delivery of your inheritance. The fortune revelation accelerates now. Type 777 to open your wealth channel fully and claim your position as rightful heir. Specific obstacles have been blocking this fortune from reaching you. Understanding these barriers helps you see why the timing is perfect right now. Legal complications created tangles that have taken years to unravel. Probate issues, jurisdiction disputes, and administrative errors buried your claim under mountains of paperwork. These complications are now being resolved through systematic legal review. Family members who benefited from the hidden fortune created their own barriers. They filed papers claiming they were the sole heirs. They bribed officials to lose documents or delay processes. But truth has a way of surfacing, no matter how deeply it's buried. The financial institutions holding these assets had no motivation to find you. Unclaimed funds generate interest for banks. Forgotten properties create revenue streams for those who manage them. But new laws require active searches for rightful owners. Cosmic timing plays a role too. You were not ready to receive this fortune until now. Earlier in your life, sudden wealth might have destroyed you rather than blessed you. The universe waited until you developed the wisdom to handle abundance responsibly. Protective forces have been guarding this inheritance for you. Spiritual guardians and ancestral energies have prevented it from being stolen or dissolved. They held it in trust until you reached the right point in your journey. The barriers are crumbling right now. Legal reviews are finding your name. Financial audits are revealing discrepancies. Investigation teams are tracing ownership chains. Every system that concealed the truth is now working to reveal it. Your generation is receiving what was denied to previous generations. Ancestral karma is being balanced. Debts owed to your bloodline are being paid. Justice delayed is still justice arriving. Financial freedom approaches rapidly. Your life transformation has already begun. Type 999 now to receive divine clarity about your wealth, inheritance and legal claim. The fortune consists of multiple types of assets spread across different locations and legal jurisdictions. Understanding what you're inheriting helps you prepare for the magnitude of change coming. Real estate holdings form a significant portion. Properties purchased decades ago in areas that have since become valuable. Land that was considered worthless but now sits in development zones. Buildings that generate rental income without anyone claiming ownership. Financial accounts exist in multiple institutions, savings accounts that have been compounding interest for 30, 40, or 50 years. Investment accounts holding stocks that have split and grown exponentially. Trust funds established with specific conditions that you unknowingly satisfy. The geographic spread is wider than you might imagine. Assets exist in states or countries you've never visited. Your ancestor or relative moved frequently or invested strategically in multiple locations. Each jurisdiction has its own legal process for claiming inheritance. Historical context matters. The wealth was accumulated during times of different economic conditions. Property bought during depressions or recessions. Investments made before major market expansions. The timing of original purchases multiplied the value dramatically. Tangible assets also exist. Family heirlooms with significant value. Collections of items that have appreciated. Precious metals or gems stored in safety deposit boxes. Physical goods protected and preserved for the rightful heir. Legal documentation proving your ownership exists in court archives, county records, and financial institution files. Wills that name your family line. Deeds with your ancestor's signature. Birth certificates and marriage licenses that prove the bloodline connection. Lawyers specializing in estate recovery are already working on cases like yours. Executors appointed by courts are searching for heirs. The legal machinery has been activated. Your claim is legitimate, documented, and approaching recognition. If you wish to honor this ancestral wealth transfer and remove final energetic blocks, you can give super thanks of $5, $10, $20, or more. This offering demonstrates your readiness to receive abundance. It signals to the universe that you value prosperity and understand the principle of energy exchange. Type 444. Now to strengthen your claim frequency and align with your rightful heir energy. The moment of your financial breakthrough is approaching faster than you realize. The legal and spiritual forces are aligning to deliver what belongs to you. Your life transformation has already begun at the energetic level. Soon it will manifest in the physical world through official notifications and legal contacts. The change will be undeniable and permanent. You will receive communication from attorneys or estate administrators, official letters with legal seals and formal language, phone calls from law firms you've never heard of, emails requesting verification of your identity and family connection. These communications will ask for documentation proving who you are. Birth certificates, social security numbers, proof of address. They will explain the inheritance and the legal process for transferring ownership. The language will be formal and detailed. The feeling of relief and vindication will wash over you. Years of financial struggle will suddenly make sense as temporary conditions. You will understand that lack was never your permanent state, but only a waiting period. Your financial struggles end when the first transfer occurs. Bills that kept you awake at night become insignificant. Debts that seemed impossible to pay become simple transactions. The weight of financial stress lifts from your shoulders completely. New opportunities open immediately. Investments you couldn't make before become possible. Business ideas you shelved due to lack of capital become viable. Dreams you postponed indefinitely suddenly have a clear timeline. Security and stability arrive in your life. The constant worry about money dissolves. Planning for the future becomes exciting rather than terrifying. Generational wealth is restored to your family line. The legacy that was stolen is being returned. Justice is being served. Your birthright is being honored. Type "I claim my inheritance" right now to complete your wealth activation and receive the abundance that has been waiting for you all this time. The fortune revelation has been activated in your energy field. The legal documents bearing your name are being processed through the proper channels right now. Your financial consciousness has shifted permanently. You are no longer operating from a place of lack, but from a place of abundance and expectation. The universe recognizes you as the rightful heir. The claim process has officially begun on multiple levels. Legal systems are moving. Spiritual forces are aligning. Ancestral blessings are flowing toward you. You may feel excitement, disbelief, or overwhelming emotion. All of these reactions are natural when generational wealth returns to its rightful owner. Your inheritance journey has started. The hidden fortune is coming home to you. Type "I receive my wealth" to seal this abundance connection and confirm your readiness to receive your inheritance.